Once upon a time, there was a monkey who loved his mother so much. So, on Mummy's birthday, he wanted to draw a picture. And he did. And when he was coming home to show Mummy the picture, he met his friend Lion. And he showed the picture to the lion. Lion says, "This is a beautiful picture you drew. But Mummy needs some hair, more hair." Monkey asked, "Can you help me please?" The lion says, "Oh, no problem. I will draw hair for Mummy." And he drew. And he says, "Thank you, Lion." Lion says, "No problem, my pleasure." He was walking, coming home to show Mummy. On the way home, he met Bunny. He showed the picture to Bunny. Bunny says, "This is really big, nice picture. But Mummy need longer ears to hear better." So he drew two beautiful big ears for Mummy. Little monkey says, "Thank you, Bunny. You did great." And he was walking home, he met his other friend, Giraffe. He showed the picture to Giraffe. Giraffe says, "Nice hair and nice ears. But you know what you are missing? You are missing Mummy's neck. Let me draw Mummy's neck." Monkey says, "Thank you, Giraffe." And Giraffe drew a very nice long neck for Mummy. Little monkey says, "Thank you, Giraffe." And he was walking again, almost home. But on the way, he met again his friend Owl. He showed the picture to Owl. Owl said, "This is a beautiful picture. Wow. And I feel Mummy need bigger eyes." Little monkey says, "You want to help me to make the bigger eyes?" Owl says, "No problem. I will do it right now." And Owl draw two beautiful eyes. Little monkey says, "Thank you, Owl. I'll go home and show it to my mom." And he came home. He hid the picture behind him. Mummy asked, "What do you have? Can you show me?" And he showed the picture to Mummy. Mummy was so happy to see the picture. Mama said, "I can see all your friend helped you. And this is the best picture I have ever get as a present. Thank you, my little monkey." And monkey says, "Thank you, Mom. I love you so much and happy birthday." The end.